Hair loss is a common concern that affects individuals of various ages and backgrounds. While there are numerous commercial products available to address this issue, many people are now turning to natural alternatives in their quest for healthier and fuller hair. One such alternative gaining attention is rosemary, a fragrant herb known for its culinary uses and potential health benefits. This video delves into the possibility of using rosemary as a substitute for the widely used hair loss treatment, minoxidil. Before delving into the potential benefits of rosemary, it is crucial to comprehend the causes of hair loss. Factors such as genetics, hormonal changes, nutritional deficiencies, and stress can contribute to the loss of hair. Minoxidil, a medication commonly used to treat hair loss, works by promoting blood flow to the hair follicles, thereby stimulating hair growth. However, some individuals seek natural alternatives due to concerns about potential side effects associated with synthetic medications. Rosemary has a rich history of medicinal and therapeutic uses. Traditionally, it has been employed to address various health concerns, ranging from digestive issues to cognitive function. The essential oil derived from rosemary is believed to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular choice for holistic health practices. Rosemary may offer several potential benefits for hair health. Firstly, it is thought to enhance blood circulation, crucial for delivering nutrients to hair follicles and promoting healthy hair maintenance and growth. Secondly, some studies suggest that rosemary may inhibit the production of dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to hair loss. Additionally, the antioxidants in rosemary may protect hair follicles from oxidative stress, neutralizing free radicals that can harm hair cells. Lastly, its anti-inflammatory properties may soothe the scalp, creating an environment conducive to hair health. There are various methods for incorporating rosemary into a hair care routine. One popular approach involves applying rosemary essential oil to the scalp and gently massaging it. The oil can be diluted with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil, before application. Another method is to create a rosemary-infused hair rinse by steeping rosemary leaves in hot water and using the infused liquid as a final rinse after shampooing. Additionally, commercially available hair products containing rosemary extracts provide a convenient option. While further research is required to fully ascertain the efficacy of rosemary as a treatment for hair loss, available evidence suggests its potential benefits. The decision to use rosemary over conventional treatments like minoxidil should be based on individual preferences, lifestyle, and the severity of the hair loss condition. Consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable to ensure safety and effectiveness. The exploration of natural alternatives like rosemary reflects a growing interest in holistic approaches to hair care, offering individuals a broader spectrum of options and addressing their unique needs.